How to create or customize a power plan in Windows 11. Turn on the computer. Select Start. Type Control Panel and then select it from the list. In the Control Panel search field, type Power Options and then select it from the list. Select Create a Power Plan. Select an existing plan to start. Type a name for your new power plan and then select Next. Select the drop-down menu for either on battery or plugged in and then set the sleep and display settings. Select Create. With your plan created, you can change the advanced settings. Note that changing advanced settings can have undesired effects in Windows. Research any power settings before changing them. Return to the Power Plan settings. Select Change Plan Settings. Select Change Advanced Power Settings. Select the plus sign next to the setting you want to change, and then adjust the setting. Select OK to save the power plan. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.